So that's all I got to say is don't never give up. Well, it's 11.6 is what my odometer says, so we'll see how far it is going this way. Because I see the other way is 5.5 miles. It just seems like it's so much further than this way. I know it is, but today we find out. Which is really the reason why I wanted to go around this way today. Well, we had to check a river crossing to see if we could make it. Yeah, it looks like it's about 3 miles longer going around that way. I thought it was. It's starting to warm up out here a little bit. But this bike has been good.